Bonsoir. We are going to do the days of the week and then the months of the year. The first thing I want you to do is just listen to me say the days of the week. Dimanche, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi. This time I want you to répéter each one of them after me. Dimanche, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi. We are going to do that one more time. Répétez. Dimanche, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi. And now I'm going to répéter the entire thing, and you are going to répéter après moi. Répétez après moi. Repeat after me. Dimanche, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi. Répétez dimanche, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi. Bien fait! You can rewind this and listen to it over and over again. Now I'm going to go to the months. Mayo. We just did the days. Julio. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to say the 12 months of the year, and all I want you to do is just listen. Écoutez-moi. Listen to me. Écoutez. Écoutez-moi. Écoutez. OK. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. I would not be helping you if I didn't tell you something very quirky about the days of the week and the months of the year. Because children learn this mostly in French, sometimes the word June, juin, is said juin. Juin. That is French Creole. If you hear that, obviously that means June. Now you know. Now I'm going to say each month of the year, and I want you to répéter après moi. Repeat after me. Répétez après moi. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. Now I want you to répéter the same thing after me. Répétez Même bagay la. Repeat the same thing. Répétez même bagay la. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. Bien fait. Now I'm going to say tout bagay la. The whole, tout, thing, bagay. The. Tout bagay la. The whole bagay. The whole thing. Répétez. Tout bagay la. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. We are going to répéter tout bagay la encore. We are going to repeat all the things, everything again. We are going to répéter. Répéter tout bagay la encore. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. Bien fait. Now, you want to go ahead and like this video, download it, listen to it as frequently as possible, just like your numbers. Always go back to your numbers video so that you can learn to count from 1 to 20. And you can do this. You can learn the days of the week and you can learn the months of the year by playing the videos while you're basically sitting around drinking a cup of coffee or tea or driving in the car, a time where you might be listening to music, you could be learning your Creole. So the next video is going to be cultural tips. Remember, cultural tips are when I'm bringing in concepts you have learned thus far, and I'm introducing new concepts or different ways of saying what you have learned. So you always want to watch cultural tips because this is what you will hear in Haiti, and I want to equip you with all of that information.